Once upon a time, deep in a colorful jungle, there lived a tiny dragon named Puffo. Now Puffo was not like other dragons. Most dragons breathe fire when they want to. But Puffo had a small problem. Whenever Puffo sneezed, fire came out of his mouth. Yes, you heard that right. A small sneeze. And whoosh, fire everywhere. Because of this, all the jungle animals were a little scared of Puffo. Not because he was mean. No. Puffo was actually very kind. But imagine sitting peacefully and suddenly, achoo! Fire! So the animals always kept a little distance. One sunny morning, Puffo woke up feeling a little strange. His nose started to tickle. He rubbed it, he scratched it. But the tickle became stronger. Oh no, Puffo said, my sneeze is coming. Puffo started running around the jungle. Uh-oh, my sneeze is coming. A monkey sitting on a tree heard this and shouted, everyone run! Puffo is about to sneeze! The rabbit jumped straight into a bush. The birds flew high into the sky. Even the sleepy turtle hid inside his shell. Puffo kept running. My sneeze is coming! My sneeze is coming! He tried holding his nose. He tried breathing slowly. He even tried sitting on the ground. But the sneeze kept getting bigger. His nose started wiggling. His eyes squeezed shut. The animals peeked from their hiding places. The monkey whispered, this is going to be a big one. Puffo tried one last time. Please, no sneeze, please. But suddenly, achoo! All the animals closed their eyes. They were waiting for a giant fire blast. But something very strange happened. Instead of fire, tiny, shiny soap bubbles started floating out of Puffo's mouth. Pop, 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 bubbles everywhere! Then the other, wait, he said. That's not fire! The rabbit jumped out of the bush. The birds flew back down. Soon the whole jungle was filled with floating bubbles. The monkey jumped and caught one. Pop! The rabbit laughed. The birds started chasing bubbles in the air. Puffo looked surprised. Hey, where did the fire go? The monkey laughed and said, Puffo, you are not a fire dragon. You are a bubble dragon. All the animals burst into laughter. Soon everyone was jumping, popping bubbles, and having fun. From that day on, whenever Puffo sneezed, the animals didn't run away. They ran toward him, because everyone loved the bubble show. And Puffo became the funniest dragon in the jungle. And the jungle was never boring again. The end.